We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 327. Let's go on in and take a look. This is a south rectangle style apartment on the 3rd floor of this 6th floor building. As you can see, like the apartments here in Collegetown Center, for the studios, we'll enter through the kitchen. So we've got that refrigerator, there is the dishwasher and the sink, the microwave, the stove and oven. We've got our cabinets and a couple drawers here. As we go into the apartment, there's some good space right here on the left. You can put a small shelf or a little rack for shoes maybe. As we go into the apartment, we'll pass by the closet on our right. Let's take a look in there. So it's a good sized closet, a lot of hanging space. It's about almost 6 feet wide. So good amount of space in here for that. As we go into the apartment, we'll go and take a look out the window, but let's pass by the bathroom first. That's over here on our left. That's this door right here. The bathrooms will always have that tub shower, there's the vanity, there's the toilet, and the medicine cabinet over on that wall. So it's a good bathroom in here for you. And let's take a look at the furnishings in the apartment. So we've got this 10 by 15 foot space here in the main part of the studio. You've got your dining table and chair, there's the dresser, there's the full-size bed, the nice tall bookshelf, your desk and chair over here. You may arrange the furniture however you like within the apartment. You can see we've got the air conditioner over here under the window. The heating for the apartment comes out from this unit over here on the wall. You want to make sure that you're not blocking that with any furniture so that your heat can circulate in the winter. So we're on the south side of the building. That's College Ave over there to our left. You can see we do have some good sky. This is definitely the brighter side of the building. We're in the afternoon, so it's definitely sunny on this side. So that's a look at apartment 327. We have this apartments on floors 2 through 6 in this 6th floor elevator building. We're located at 151 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown. And just from the corner that we're steps away from, we are 1 block from campus here at Collegetown Center.